finally done his nap. Fucking passing out. Yeah. Now we're ready to unload.
What? I thought I was driving. Oh shit, bud.
You gotta turn your truck off.
Yeah, I guess.
Is this recording?
Yo, yo. Well, this is quarter time Giovanni. I'm a dumbass.
You still got pizza on your face, you realize?
Oh yeah, I know I got pizza on my face. That's why I'm looking at the camera. Take your fucking camera.
How's it going? Good, good.
That is right.
Nice. Well, let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go ripping.
Let's show them what a real machine is, because we've just been acting like fools. I've been acting like a fool on this. But let's look at this. Have a look at this.
No, let's try and pump it up a little bit. Ready to go for a rip today?
Yeah, man. How about you?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I've been ready.
Yeah, cheers, bud.
I didn't. Andrew, you want your boots?
Yeah, give me my boots, bud.
Alright.
Thank you.
I just told you I don't want you to be cool. Nah, I don't.
This guy, he's forgetting everything.
Tony goggles. You know what? I need a fucking cup holder. That's what the fuck I need.
That's the last thing you need. Cup holder.
Yeah, that's what I need. A cup holder, bro.
Yeah. This is all like this down this way. I just kind of wanted to go this way and you kept on going. I was like, all right, we're sending it now. But this is where we're going to get muddy. You got to go back in your truck. We can rinse off at the fucking other spot.
I don't want to do this, dude. I mean, we already have, but...
Yeah, turn yourself... There's a spot right there, actually. We can go right.
Where?
It goes right into the trail, kind of. Yeah. You broke it.
What do you mean I broke it?
Move. What do you mean? Watch out. in first gear. Maybe you're in a different gear that you shouldn't be in.
No. See, because that's first. Then
There you go. Now you're neutral. So let's pull it. Start it. That's what's wrong.
I sunk my foot. No.
No way. You're gonna flip if you don't know what you're doing. Get down. You know, give it enough gas, like ease into it.
Yo, try and go up here if you can. If not, you're just gonna get soaked. But
Oh no, I'm not. Come on. That's what I'm saying.
I don't know what you're doing, man.
No, I'm not doing nothing. It just killed. What do you think I'm doing, for real?
It's idling on its own. I think you're not riding it properly.
What do you
First
mean?
gear, like look, you can't just full throttle it sometimes. It might bog you out. You gotta ease into it. Stop doing like your whole fucking full throttle or something. I'm gonna go first. Get off of it. Give it gas, give it gas. Fuck. I like can't get a grip right now, okay. Ah, you dickhead. Go pull it. Gio, help.
I'm trying to help. I'm just looking at my feet now, full of mud, and I'm soaked.
Fucking guy. Okay, I'm gonna start it.
yeah,
Get it out of here.
take it up just in case.
Yeah. Yeah, move it this way. Yeah, lift it over this, yeah. There we go. Okay. That's reverse. That's reverse. grass back here. He's not even helping.
Brother,
This is a joint spot.
right. I'm so happy you came here, man.
Yeah.
Holy. So much.
Turn it off, Gio. Turn it off.
Oh, Gio, Gio.